We are continuing the chapter. Next we will work out illustration number 4. We have 11 transactions there. It is similar to what we did in previous video. Okay, so we will draw the format first. Draw 3 columns with equal space. We need a correct entry column, wrong entry column and rectification. The first transaction, credit sale to Christian was posted to Kishan's account. Mistake is with respect to their names. So we are selling to Christian. So the actual journal entry is Christian's account debtor to sales account. The amount is same for both, 1,700. Instead of that, what was the wrong name? We wrote Kishan. Okay, so Kishan's account debtor to sales we recorded. The amount is 1,700. So actually we had to debit with Christian, but we debited with Kishan. So the correct entry we will see Christian to be debited. Did we debit him? No. So we will debit now. So debit Christian now with the amount is 1,700, the same we will write. Then sales to be credited with 1,700, we have done it correctly, no mistake, so no rectification needed. Whereas here wrong entry, we have Kishan's account wrongly debited. Is it needed? Not needed, so we will cancel it by crediting. So to Kishan's account we will write 1,700. Understood? So this is the rectification entry for the first transaction. The second transaction is cash sale to Meena was posted to the credit of Meena. Okay, we are selling to Meena. So what will be the correct journal entry? Meena's account debtor to sales account, the amount is it cash sale? Okay, it is cash sale, so no need to write that person's name, you just correct it. Since it is cash sale, that means cash transaction, you can write cash account debtor to sales account. The amount is 1,700 and it is said that we have credited it to Meena's account. So the wrong entry is we wrote to Meena instead of sales, credited it to Meena. So this is the mistake we made. Nothing is mentioned about the debit aspect, so assume that we did it correctly. Okay, the amount, is there any difference? No, the same amount we can write. Now we will do rectification. Cash to be debited with 1,700, that we have done correctly. No mistake, so no rectification. Sales to be credited with 1,700. Did we credit sales? No, we haven't credited. So now we will credit sales with 1,700. Then Meena to be credited, Meena was wrongly credited with 1,700. Is it needed? Not needed. So we will cancel it. So debit Meena. Meena's account will be debited with that 1,700. Understood? So this is the rectification entry, Meena to sales 1,700. Then third one, all these transactions are similar. So third one, credit sale of old furniture to Prem for rupees 1,700 was credited to sales account. It is a fixed asset account, we can't write it in sales book, but we have recorded it as sales. So it is furniture sold to Prem. So we will write the correct entry. We are selling to Prem. Is it on cash basis? No, it is credit sale. So Prem's account debtor to furniture account. Prem's account debtor to furniture account, the amount is 1700. Instead of that, what did we write? We have recorded it to sales account, isn't it? Was credited to sales account. So the debit aspect was the same. Prem's account debtor, then it was credited to sales account. This is a mistake. The amount is same, I think. Yes, the amount is same, 1700. So now the rectification will be Prem to be debited with 1700, that we have done correctly. Furniture to be credited, we haven't done. So we will do it now. Write to furniture 1700. Then sales was wrongly credited, so cancel it. So debit sales. Sales account we will debit with 1700. Next one, credit sale of old furniture to Rohan, posted as 7100. Okay, the amount is different, entry will be same. Rohan's account debtor to, is it furniture? Yeah, Rohan's account debtor to furniture, the correct amount is 1700. We recorded it as 7100, the entry is correct. So Rohan's account debtor to furniture account, the amount is 7100. Now look into this account. Rohan's account to be debited with 1700. We debited with an excess amount. So what should we do? Cancel that excess debit. So we will write to Rohan's account, the excess amount 5400 we cancelled. Then furniture to be credited only with 1700, but we credited with an excess amount. So what should we do? Cancel it. That means debit it, debit the excess amount, so that 5400 will debit. Understood? So automatically your debit and credit sides are same. So furniture account debtor to Rohan's account 5400. Then the next one, fifth one, check of 640 received from Guru was dishonored, was posted to the debit of sales return account. What is the journal entry for dishonoring of check? It will be customer's account debtor. Here the customer is Guru. So Guru's account debtor to bank account. But instead of that, you wrote which account you have debited there. It is written to the debit of sales return. So you wrote sales return debtor to bank. That's a wrong entry. So we will write the entries. Fifth one, the correct entry was Guru's account debtor to bank. The amount is 640, but we debited to sales return. So we wrote sales return debtor to bank. The amount was same, 640. How will you do the rectification? Guru to be debited. Did we debit him? No. So we will debit him now. Guru's account debtor 640. Then bank to be credited, that we have done correctly, no mistake. Look into the wrong entry. Sales return was wrongly debited. Is it needed? No. So we will cancel it, credit it. So to sales return 640. So that is the journal entry, the rectification entry, Guru to sales return. Then the next one, amount of 2860 due from Prasad, written off as bad in previous year, was recovered. So now the situation is not bad, it's, you have to write the entry for bad, it's recovered. What's the entry for bad, it's recovered? Cashier bank debtor to bad, it's recovered account. You must specify it as bad, it's recovered. But instead of that, you credited it to his personal account. You have credited Prasad's account. So, are we getting it to bank account? What is written? an amount is being recovered. So you can either write cash or bank. In your textbook they have written bank, cash is also fine since it is not mentioned as check. So cash account debtor to bad debts recovered, this is the correct entry. The amount is 2,860. Instead of that you have what was the mistake, you have credited it to his personal account. That means debit aspect we wrote correctly, cash account itself we wrote. If we are writing cash here, use the same term here, and if you are writing bank, you write bank here. 2, what was the mistake, you credited it to Prasad's account, 2,860. Now we will do the rectification part. Cash account to be debited, that we have done correctly. Bad debts recovered to be credited, but we haven't credited bad debts recovered. So we will do it now. Credit bad debts recovered, write it as to bad debts recovered account, 2,860. Now Prasad's account was wrongly credited, that we have to rectify. So what will you do? Prasad's account will be debited. Prasad's account you debit with 2,860. Okay. So this is the rectification. Prasad to bad debts recovered. The next one, discounted bill of exchange receivable for rupees 8,000 returned by the firm's bank had been credited to the bank account and debited to bills receivable account. Okay. So the debit and credit aspects they have given, but that was the wrong thing we did. There was a bills receivable which was discounted with the bank. Already I have explained the meaning of bill discounting. Now it is returned back by the bank. So it is just like check dishonored or check returned by the bank. So the entry is customer's account debted to bank. What is the amount? It is 8,000. You can either write customer or you can write debtor. Both are correct. Since the name is not specified here, you can write it as customer or debtor. So debtor's account, debtor to bank account, the amount is 8,000. Instead of that, what did we write? We debited bills receivable account and credited bank account. So the entry what we wrote is bills receivable account, debtor to bank account 8,000. So now we will do the rectification. Debtors to be debited actually, but we haven't done anything. So we will do now. Debtors you have to debit now with 8,000. Then bank to be credited with 8,000, that we have done correctly. So no mistake, no rectification needed. Bills receivable was wrongly debited, that we will cancel now. So write to bills receivable. Amount is 8,000. Then transaction number 8. 10,000 paid for electricity bill of proprietor's residence, that is drawings personal purpose, was debited to electricity expenses account. So the journal entry, the correct entry is drawings account debtor to cash. The amount is 10,000, but we have debited electricity expense. That is wrong actually. The amount is same 10,000. So the rectification will be like drawings to be debited, we haven't debited, so we will do it now. Drawings account we will debit with 10,000. Then cash was done correctly, no mistake. Electricity expense wrongly debited, so cancel it. So to electricity expense we will write. it is 10,000. Then the next one, ninth transaction, amount of 7,500 withdrawn from bank by the proprietor for his personal use. It's again drawings, debited to purchases account. That you can do. It is similar to this previous question. I am not doing it. I am moving on to 10th transaction. Okay, so 9th one you must do, 10th one I am doing now. An amount of 15,000 withdrawn from bank by the proprietor for office use. So, do not write drawings, was debited to drawings account. Okay, that is not drawings because it is office use. If nothing is mentioned also, you must assume as office use. Okay. So, when cash is withdrawn from bank and if it is for office use, entry is cash account debtor. Cash is coming into the business. So, cash account debtor to bank account is the correct entry. So, 9th one I am leaving. You must write that. Then 10th one, correct entry is cash account debtor to bank account. Cash account debtor to bank account, the amount is 15,000. Instead of that, we debited which account? Drawings account. So, it is drawings account debtor to bank account 15,000. Now, you look into the correct entry, cash to be debited with 15,000. Did we debit cash? No. So, we will debit now. Cash account debtor 15,000. Then, bank to be credited, that we have done correctly. Drawings was wrongly debited, so cancel it. So, 2 drawings 15,000. So, cash account debtor to drawings account, that is answer 15,000. Then last one, salary paid to Varun, an employee debited to his personal account. So, the 11th transaction, salary was paid to Varun. What you have to write is, correct entry is salary account debtor to cash account. The amount is 8,000. But instead of that, we have debited it to Varun's account. So, it is Varun's account. This is a usual mistake which you people are doing. Varun's account debtor to cash 8,000. So, rectify this mistake. Salary to be debited. So, since we haven't debited, we will debit now. Salary we will debit now with 8,000. Cash to be credited, that we have done correctly. Varun was wrongly debited, that we will cancel. So, write to Varun's account 8,000. Okay, so transactions are over. Only 11 transactions? No, yes. So, this is how we have to rectify journal entries. For every question, you follow the same format. Okay, you must have 3 columns: correct entry, wrong entry, and rectification entry, and do rectification one by one.